Next is sickle cell disease. So in this sickle cell disease, there is a CRISPR technology. You can see here there is a CRISPR technology. This CRISPR technology is a Casgevy. Like more about news, Casgevy and Lyfgenia is a first cell-based gene therapy that is approved for the treatment in the sickle cell anemia and sickle cell disease, that is National Sickle Cell Anemia Elimination Mission, inherited when a child received two genes, one from each parent. So if both parents have sickle cell trait, there's 25% chance of the sickle cell anemia. There's also 1 in the 4 chance completely unaffected. So there's a 50% chance of this normal cell disease, that is blood cell, sickle cell disease, that is defective hemoglobin. So there is a defective hemoglobin and normally that is normal hemoglobin. Sickle cell impede the blood flow and there is a no blood flow in the body. So this type of the hemoglobin disorder inherited blood disease that affect the oxygen in the body, and it is characterized by the modification in the shape of the red blood cell and misshaped cell, lack of plasticity, and can block the small blood vessels, and it can lead to stroke, eye problems, infections, and the pain called the pain crisis. Symptoms are jaundice, liver and spleen enlargement. So tribal area where the endemic to the malaria for many years and leading to the many deaths. Stem cell or the bone marrow transplantation the only cure of this disease. So sickle cell anemia can be treated with the stem cell transplantation or the hematopoietic stem cell transplantation. Okay, so this one about this, and next one is the next one is objective of providing the affordable and accessible care to eliminate 247. So health promotion, prevention and holistic management is required, and it is covering entire 0 to 18 year of the age and include the entire population of 40 years. So the National Health Mission, this is the globinopathy genetic disease, that is hemoglobin identify establishing service to the community level. A new study reported the chondrocytes make the hemoglobin, and for the hemoglobin body or the that is red blood cell are diffused, or we want to understand first what is the red blood cell and how this is contributing to for the disease. So there is a hemoglobin is a iron containing protein in the blood of the animal, and that transport oxygen to the tissues, and it is present in RBC and most probably in the vertebrates. So all the vertebrates, cold water, ice fish are transport the oxygen via the hemoglobin. So in the cold water ice fish, oxidation is a through to occur purely through the diffusion. Hemoglobin form an unstable reversible bond of oxygen. An oxygenated state, it is called the oxyhemoglobin. Oxyhemoglobin that is developed in a cell in the bone marrow that exhibit the antioxidant property. So the chondrocyte cell are the cell that make the cartilage and release the substance to make the cartilage strong, flexible. Hemoglobin in the cartilocytes carry oxygen and it is essential for their survival. Next is the rare disease. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, it is treating the 4 rare disease. It includes the tyrosinemia and Gaucher disease, Wilson disease and Lennox-Gastaut syndrome. And rare disease में होता है Gaucher disease, Wilson disease and Dravet and Lennox-Gastaut disease. So a lifelong disease or disorder with prevalence 1000 population, mostly genetic in nature. So rare disease are genetic in nature. These are genetic in nature, and currently affect the 5% of the worldwide. And national policy for rare disease was in 2021, and that is formulated provision include the financial assistance under the umbrella scheme Rashtriya Arogya Nidhi and characterized into the three group. So next one is rare disease. So rare disease is about rare disease is Ministry of Health and Family Welfare that is treating this, including the tyrosemia, Gaucher and the Wilson disease. Okay, and there is a disorder amendable by the treatment, and disease are required long-term lifelong treatment, and disease with very high cost and the lifelong therapy is also. So rare disease drugs for the personal use and cover the orphan drugs also. Fixed dose combination, there is a Etovinex and these fixed drugs are Central Drugs Standards Control Organization, that is fixed dose combination, and that is contain the active pharmaceutical ingredient, and in this API is biologically active component. So this is steps taken to the regulations of Drugs Cosmetic Act 2008 and testing the capability of the Central Drug Testing Laboratory and the cosmetic rules of 1945. Merits is increase the efficiency and reduce the cost and simpler logistic. So this pharmacodynamic drug power mismatch may leading to the reduce the efficacy and enhance the toxicity also. That's why we are giving the fixed dose, and there's one fixed dose you can see. This is Itavir, Cetobine and Tenofovir, and this is Antipla. This is all fixed dose for the HIV. It is for the HIV, and that is Itavirin, Citabine, Tenofovir and Atripla. So this is a 600 mg, 200 mg and 300 mg. So these drugs are Central Drugs Standard Control Organization is providing this fixed dose combination drug, and demerits are pharmacodynamics mismatch may be leading to the reduce the efficacy. So it decrease shell life and led to the antimicrobial resistance also. So fixed dose are comes under the Drugs and Cosmetic Amendment Act, testing capability of the Central Drug Testing Laboratory and the cosmetic rule. National Pharmaceutical Pricing Authority, that was 23 formulation. It has been revised the ceiling price of the 15 scheduled formulation drugs control. And the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare National List for Essential Medicine Price Control. Essential medicine is automatically come under the fixed dose. Next is fixed dose is the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare National List of Essential Medicine. The essential medicine automatically come under the fixed dose, and that is Ministry of Chemical Fertilizer enforce this price control, and price control is under the Ministry of Chemical and Fertilizer. Now generic drugs. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare alert to all government doctors to prescribe the generic drugs only. A generic drug is the medication created to be the same as already marketed brand. There are lots of brand names, and in this the cheap price of the generic drugs are also available in the hospital. A generic drug is a medication created to be same as a already market brand name drug. So it is similar doses from safety, strength, route of administration, quality and performance. It can be marketed after a brand drug patent expired. Like patent is 20 years. After expiring that patent, this drug will become the generic drug. Okay. So compulsory licensing Indian Patent Act of 1970 for it without consent during any urgency. So the Indian Medical Council and professional conduct is ethics and regulation prescribe that every physician should prescribe drug with generic name legibly. Empower the appropriate state medical council or ethics and medical registration board of the commission to take the disciplinary action for the doctor for violation. So their feature is there is a patent protected, and it is costly. Branded drugs are costly, but generic drugs are need to cover the. It is cheaper than the branded drugs. Okay, and it is unique, and it is need to have a different. Now next one is this about the generic drug. This is unique, and generic drugs are need to have a different appearances than branded drug. Manufacturing and developed by the innovator, and this by several pharmaceutical industry. And crocin is a branded drug, and paracetamol is a generic drug. So a pharma company receiving like प्रधानमंत्री भारतीय जनौषधि परियोजना 2008 में आई थी जनौषधि, and that was under the Ministry of Chemical and Fertilizer. Janaushadhi. Free drug service, that is Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, and production link incentive for the Ministry and Chemical. So PLI scheme is also under the Ministry of Chemical and Fertilizer for the health. Biosimilar, so a pharma company received grant from the CDSCO for marketing authorization of biosimilar, and that is a cancer drug, that is trastuzumab. Trastuzumab is a cancer drug. And biosimilar is a medicine which is very close in structure function to biological medicine, and it is highly specialized medicine. So biosimilar is a medicine very close structure and function with the biological medicine, and the name one is the cancer. For the cancer detection there is a biosimilar. Okay, and the name of this medication is trastuzumab. Okay. Next is international classification of the disease. WHO international classification of disease, that is 11, and module 2 of the supplementary chapter on the traditional medicine. It dedicated to Ayurveda, Siddha, Unani and terminology. It encompasses more than 500 codes and infectious disease like malaria and chronic insomnia. There is a insomnia and malaria. Okay, and malaria. So this kind of the disease are there. Okay, so about this classification of the disease, international standard of the recording, reporting, analyzing, interpreting and comparison of the mortality and the morbidity. So this is include the traditional medicine conditions in China and commonly in the Japan. Provide a list of diagnostic category to collect, report the traditional medicine and link the traditional medicine with the global conventional medicine. Enable the integration of the traditional with the global and reimbursement. So traditional medicine, that is knowledge, skill and practice, indigenous culture. National Ayush morbidity standard terminology, electronic Namaste portal. So this Namaste portal is provide the standardized terminology and the morbidity Ayurveda, Siddha, Unani system. Ayush health information management, that is Ayush health information management system, IT platform to effectively manage all the functions of the care delivery system. And Gujarat declaration is also there, Gujarat declaration, and that is for the medicines. So there is first was the Namaste portal. Namaste portal is classification of the disease, and Gujarat declaration, that is also for the under the WHO for the traditional medicine. Food fortification, that is under the FSSAI, Draft Food Fortification, Food Safety and the Standards Amendment Act 2011, notified under the Food Safety and Standard Act, that was in 2006. So this is imposed limit on the micronutrient for the manufacturing and the fortified rice. So micronutrient include the iron, vitamin B9 and vitamin B12, and this is include the vitamin B9, B12 and iron. Okay, so deliberately increasing the content of one or more micronutrient in food and condiment, that is supplement the food, and regulated by the FSSAI under the 2018. Okay, and rice fortification, which is FSSAI prescribe the micronutrient like iron, folic acid, vitamin B12 for the 1:100 ratio. And coating, dusting, key technology. India is extrusion technology. Millet rice is also pulverized and mixed to the premix. The combating malnutrition. What is the benefit? Combating the malnutrition, cost efficient manner, improving the fetal and the neonatal health. And iron fortified rice is likely to be the harmful for patients in whom there is already in the iron overload. So that is thalassemia and sickle cell anemia that can be treated. Distribution of fortified rice under the Saksham Anganwadi portion and centrally sponsored scheme, that is Saksham Anganwadi Center, that is centrally sponsored scheme. Okay, Saksham Anganwadi scheme, and that is centrally sponsored scheme, sponsored pilot scheme, and that is fortification of the rice and distribution under the PDS. This is under the PDS, and that is central sponsored scheme. Okay, and related development, that is F logo by the FSSAI, Biofortification is a process breeding the nutrient in food crop. An agronomic practice like conventional breeding or the biotechnology based approach like genetic engineering and genome editing. So genome editing is also provided here. Slightly different from the fortification in the sense of the fortification post harvest method. They are made mostly from the substance extracted from the food, fat, starch and sugar and hydrogenated fat. High consuming combined with low physical activity lead to issues like obesity, diabetes and the cardiovascular disease. Trans fats are the, there is a regulate under the replace 2023 FSSAI food manufacturing treatment nutrient label. FSSAI is a eat right movement, and that is unsaturated fatty acid, and that is unsaturated, that's why they are not good for the health. So FSSAI is launching the eat right movement, and replace is also there, replace and eat right movement. Okay, that is in 2023, and this is reducing the trans fat 2%. Okay, 2% logo is there. So you can see here 2% logo, and FSSAI is clarifying addition of the protein binders. So protein binders are the any additive in the dairy products are not permitted, and protein binders are biological research agents. They bind to specific target protein to manufacture a wide range of the new food products. Protein binding can enhance the retract performance. It affects the digestibility, affect the biological and the nutrient value of the milk. Milk protein is a good source for the essential amino acid. For the amino acid, milk is also good. They are mainly found in the food that come from the animal, and they are inherently because they are the increase the bad cholesterol level. Now non-sugar sweeteners. So WHO, International Agency for Research on the Cancer, classifying the commonly used non-sugar sweetener and aspartame, that is aspartame. So aspartame is a non-sugar sweetener, and the food safety FSSAI regulation 2011 has approved the several artificial sweetener, sodium aspartame and the acesulfame, potassium and the sucralose and the neotome. So contain the no calorie but higher sweetness intensity. Referred as a low calorific sweetness artificial sweetener, that is non-sugar sweetener, and include the synthetically derived chemical and found in the many beverage of the food. So sometimes this label the sugar free diet. So sugar free diet. Okay. So there is a aspartame, that is the dipeptide and consists of 2 amino acid. Aspartic acid, that is heterodimer G protein, and acesulfame K, that is aceto acid, and neutame is a aspartame, and sucralose is a 0 calorific sweetener. Saccharine 300 times as sweet. Sorbitol, that is the polyhydric alcohol, and monk fruit, that is extract from the plant, and steviol, that is glycoside, that is natural stevia, and thamotine, that is intensive sweet basic the protein. These all are the artificial sweetener, and non-sugar sweeteners are there, and FSSAI regulation 2011 approved the several artificial sweeteners. So these are all are the names of this sugar free diet. Codex Alimentarius Commission, that is approved India proposal for global standard of the millet and millet, barnite millet, kodo millet, porso millet and little millet group. So WTO WTO is recognizing the three international standards setting for the organization of the three sisters, and there is a codex, and codex under the FSSAI. 8 quality parameters like the moisture content, uric acid, 15 millets are there. So this is standard for the sorghum and the pearl millet, and 7 session of the codex committee, spice and the culinary herbs. So plant health, International Plant Protection Convention, and animal health, World Organization for Animal. So two things are comes under the codex, and animal health and the plant health and food safety. This is comes under the codex. So forwarded this 5 standard of codum elimination commission, international food standard policy, that is under the WHO and FAO, and objective is to protect consumer health and fair practices. And codex alimentarius food code, this is a food code and which is guideline for the code. And codex standards are voluntary, it is a voluntary, it is not compulsorily you should be followed. Agreement on the application of sanitary and phytosanitary measures are also under the WTO codex standard. Organ and tissue transplantation, National Organ Tissue Transplantation Organization, that is NATO, that is under case for kidney rockets case. Facilitation, coordination and networking in organ transplantation, this is under the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. It is surgical procedure in which a organ, tissue or the group of cell are removed from a donor and transplanted into the moved from one side to the another. Kidney portion is pancreas, part of the liver or segment lung, part of the bowel can be donated by the living donor. Tissue transplantation like eye, skin, bone, heart valve and the blood vessel. Transplant within the same person like the autograft and skin graft. And human leukocyte antigen blood group match. These are also transplantation. Transplantation of the human organ was in 1994. Brain stem dates are also there. Living donor, any person not less than 18 years of the age, and deceased donor, if donor is under 18 year age, consent from one parent to the near relative authorized by the parent essential. Organ and tissue transplantation, that is geno transplantation, procedure that involve the transplantation, implantation or infusion of the non-human tissue. So you can see this is a pig and we are transplanting the pig skin by the burn. पिग की किडनी भी ट्रांसप्लांट हो रही है और ये डोनर पिग है एंड ह्यूमन इज़ ए रेसिपिएंट एंड पिग इज़ पेनक्रियाज जो होता है दैट इज़ ऑल्सो यूजफुल इन डायबिटीज़ ट्रीटमेंट. सो लीवर सेल body fluid like cell, tissue or the organ have a vivo contact, and genetically pig are preferred for the xenotransplantation due to large litter or the grow quickly, and they are comparatively easy to genetically modified and are less likely to transmit infections. E-cigarette. So e-cigarettes are under the WHO prohibition of electronic cigarettes and distribution storage, that is in 2019. And this is the flavouric such as the diacetyl, volatile organic compounds and cancer causing chemicals, heavy metals such as nickel, tin and lead. So harmful substance in the e-cigarette is diacetyl, volatile organic compounds, cancer causing chemicals होते हैं, and nickel, tin and lead. So this electronic device that heat the substance may or may not contain nicotine and aerosol, but it include all form of the electronic nicotine delivery system. E-hookah is also there. Vape pen, tank pen, nicotine delivery system. It produce on aerosol, and e-cigarettes as an electronic device, and this is the electronic nicotine delivery system. Heat not burn products. E-hookah, it does not include the product like Drug Cosmetic Act, but inhaled by user by heating or liquid that usually contain nicotine and flavorings. Preparedness and passive lines for emerging threats initiative, that is PREAT. So World Health Organization, and you can see here World Health Organization launched the preparedness resilience for emerging threat, that is PREAT. For the emerging threat, that is PREAT, and it is innovation approach to improve the disease pandemic and recognizing that the same system capacity and the knowledge of the tool and pathogens based on the mode of the transmission, respiratory and the vector-borne disease. So platform for national, regional, global stakeholder to collaborate, strengthen the preparedness, operate under the aegis of international health regulation. International health regulation, legally binding treaty. It is a legally binding treaty of 196 state. Okay, so that is in preparedness of the emerging threat, that is legally binding treaty. Legally binding treaty and big catch up. Okay, so that is legally binding treaty, and it is WHO capacity to detect, report the public health emerging worldwide. WHO 2013, and there's legally binding agreement, Paris agreement. WHO initiative to address the global vision impairment or the blindness and reporting the number of the people receive the spectacle. WHO, UNICEF, Gavi and the Vaccine Alliance is a Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation immunization agenda, that is 2030, and vaccination derived from the COVID-19. So this launched under the WHO International Pathogen Surveillance Network and Global Network to help the swiftly detect the threat of the infectious disease. Platform for connecting the country and region, improving system for collecting, analyzing the sample. WHO declared the COVID-19 public health emergency, international concern, International Health Regulation Emergency Committee, an extraordinary event to constitute a public health risk to other states. An international spread of the disease potentially require a coordinated response, and that was 2025 Strategic Preparedness Response Plan. Disease in news. Chikungunya, world first vaccine. Chikungunya is Lixic. It's Lixic, and that is by the chikungunya virus. And Aedes aegypti and Aedes albopicus, which is some bite primarily because of the daylight hour, can be passed from the pregnant mother to the unborn child. National Vector-Borne Disease Control Program. Zika virus. Zika virus is Mumbai, Maharashtra, transmitted primarily Aedes mosquito, and that is same mosquito transmit yellow fever. It is associated with the Guillain and Barre syndrome, and that is transmitted from mother or the fetus during the pregnancy. Swine flu H1 and N2, and that was first human case of the swine flu in the flu strain, and that is swine influenza virus transmitted direct or indirect exposure of the pig. Next one is symptom is a regular flow. Lumpy skin disease 100 lumpy in the Meghalaya, infectious viral disease of the cattle and nodule of the skin. So lumpy viral disease, that is Africa and Middle East and the Eastern Europe, transmitted by the blood feeding insects and virus. The hepatitis C, that is in the Egypt, first country to achieve the gold of the status, gold tier, elimination of the hepatitis C, and that is in the Egypt. Okay, Egypt is the first country, and it is viral disease and it affect the liver. Transmitted, reuse the inadequate sterilization medical equipments, and hepatitis B virus transmitted much like HIV, and that is B virus transmitted HIV. Globally, the number of the people infected with hepatitis B and C virus several times more than HIV. Some of the infected with the B and C virus do not show the symptom, but the no vaccine is C can be treated antiviral medication, and A and B, that is vaccine available to the A and B. The Nipah virus. So Kerala witnessed a outbreak of the Nipah virus, and in the Kerala, that is the Nipah virus. And Nipah virus is a zoonotic virus from the animal to human, and this Nipah virus is a zoonotic virus, and that is from the animal to human. Okay, and the fruit bait family, that is genus for the Nipah virus. And the other prominent zoonotic disease include the rabies, brucellosis, Japanese encephalitis plague, and this spread has increased due to use of the antibiotic and reduction in forest cover. So Kerala is witnessing the Nipah virus, and this is a zoonotic disease and can also transmit it through contaminated food. And fruit baits are family, they are genus for this virus. So Nipah virus हो गया. Avian influenza, that is H9 and N2. Avian influenza, that is in the China, and subtype of the influenza A virus, that is H1N1, sometimes called the swine flu. Influenza is also called the swine flu. Worldwide in the wild birds and are endemic to the poultry farm exposed to the infection poultry or the contaminated environment. So Indian Council of Agriculture Research include to the animal disease ICAR. Other is the notified disease. So notified disease is required to law, and WHO International Health Regulation, that is 1969, and that is center has notified several disease like cholera, leprosy, meningitis and pertussis, and TB and AIDS and hepatitis. So this is notifying the disease that is lies with the state government. Notified disease, that is leprosy, meningitis, leprosy, pertussis and the plague and TB. Next is lymphatic filariasis, that is second phase of the mass drug administration. Lymphatic Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, and that is lymphatic filariasis neglected tropical disease, and that was the nematode. Nematode is also filariodites, and mosquitoes. Lymphatic system can lead to the abnormal enlargement of the body part, and that is lymphatic filariasis. Neglected tropical disease, and that was Noma, and it is affected children of 2 to 6 years of the age suffering from the malnutrition. Tropical disease is because of the malnutrition. Variety of the pathogens like virus, bacteria, parasite, fungi, and dengue, chikungunya, rabies and leprosy. And now India successfully eliminated this genuine worm, trachoma, and the now London Declaration is for the neglected tropical disease, and Kigali Declaration. So first is the London Declaration, and second one is Kigali Declaration. These two declarations are related to the first is the London Declaration, second is the Kigali Declaration. These two are related to the neglected tropical disease. Okay, and that is under 2030 the Kigali Declaration eradicate the control of this. Next is key concept of the news. First one is the phage therapy. This therapy is the public accept use of bacteria killing virus. Phage means bacteria killing virus as an alternative to the antibiotics, and phage therapy is using the bacteriophage to treat the bacterial infection, and bacteriophage is virus that infect the only in the bacteria cell, and significant unlikely to the damage human cell due to the significant difference. The macrophage is a cancer cell study that was the macrophage in the lung promoted tumor growth. So there is this not usually eliminated, but they can be stay in the build the tissue. These zombie cells are there, and macrophage is type of the white blood cells that are infecting the body and recognizing the destroy the target cell. Next is nuclear medicine. BRICS collaboration with nuclear medicine. Medicine is especially used for the radioactive trace, and that risk or exposure to ionizing and radiation can lead to the risk of the developing cancer, and that is nuclear medicine. And trace given up of the practice that can be detected, and cobalt 60 is used for the therapy of the cancer. HeLa cell is first human cell for the cloned, and this is cloned actually. So that's why never reach to the point of sentience. Normally human cell cultures dies with a few days, but set number of the cell. Taste of the effect by radiations, gene mapping, and study the human disease. So cell culture is petri dish in lab control condition. So this is HeLa cell, that is clone cell. Now Cervavac vaccine is the Lancet Oncology reveals that Cervavac vaccine is Serum Institute of India a comparable immune response to the Merck Gardasil vaccine, and this is a response to the Merck Gardasil vaccine, and first indigenous quadrilateral human papillomavirus vaccine. Its Cervavac address the HPV 11, 16 and 18. It can given both gender age group of 9 to 26, and sexually transmitted infection may caused by the cervical cancer. So cervical cancer can also be detected by the Cervavac. Next is inverse vaccine. These vaccines are against the autoimmune disease. So immune disease are there, and immune disease, autoimmune disease, and against this there is a inverse vaccine, like autoimmune disease, immune system, healthy tissue. So make the immune system forget a specific molecule, and this is a molecule that look like a part of the old cell. Liver recognition of the old cell part of the friends and trick the immune system. So unlike the traditional vaccine that give a immune system a glimpse of the pathogens, and this is reintroduction the friendly self antigens, the monoclonal antibodies, and center decide the procure the monoclonal antibody Australia, and this is actively our immune system. They are produced through a process that involves the extra specific antibodies, and they are clone and homogeneous hybrid cell. So polyclonal antibodies are secreted by the different B cell. Ebola and HIV can be treated with the monoclonal antibodies. Next is optical tweezers. Optical tweezers are the study the structure detail of the leponite, and this is the tweezers. Optical tweezers are scientific instrument that is focused on the laser beam and move to the microscopic and the submicroscopic object like atom, nanoparticle and droplets, and it is object is held in the vacuum. Optical levitation is Arthur Ashkin won Nobel Prize. Arthur Ashkin who won the Nobel Prize for the optical tweezers. Okay, name is Arthur Ashkin, and he won the Nobel Prize for the optical tweezers detection. Now next is alternative energy. So battery energy storage system. So battery energy storage system, it is India's largest battery storage system, that is Solar Energy Corporation of the India. It is in Chhattisgarh. This commission store the energy, and it is works under the aegis of Ministry of New and Renewable Energy. Earlier, Union Cabinet has approved the scheme for the viability gap funding. Now there is a mechanical pump, hydro and flywheel and compressed air. Secondary battery, that is secondary battery lead and acid, and secondary battery and the flow battery. So double layer capacitor, superconducting managing energy, and the hydrogen fuel and thermal and sensible heat storage. The categorizing under the electromagnetic system and different electrochemical reaction to store the electricity, can be used for independent or as a part of the power system infra at a various level, generation, transmission and distribution. Standard battery, that is consists of pair of the electrodes and the electrolytes. So lead acid battery, nickel cadmium battery, lithium ion battery and sodium sulfur battery. Flow battery are the tanks, that is electrolyte membrane to control the flow of the electron, and redox battery and hybrid flow battery envisages development of the 4000 megawatt projects. 40% of the capital cost are from this, and to support the infra projects are economically justified. So leveraged cost, and this total cost will be leveraged, and BESS project capacity, Ministry of Power. Lithium ion battery, and this battery noble laureate of the co-inventor lithium ion battery, that is John Bannister Goodenough. John Bannister Goodenough, and name is John Goodenough, and that is lithium ion battery in which the lithium ion move from negative electrode to the positive material used by the electrode into the lithium cobalt and lithium manganese oxide. Goodenough developed a battery, that is the cathode cobalt oxide. Lithium ion used as an electrolyte, and so did solid state lithium battery. Solid state battery is used for the solid electrolyte, and lightweight, has a high energy density 5000 cycle. Now memory effect repeal the partial discharge, and battery to remember the lower capacity. Disadvantage is high price and tendency of the overheating and lead to the thermal runaway and combustion. Other battery system are advanced chemical cell battery, that is Ministry of Heavy Industry and rebuilding this PLI scheme. The Ministry of Heavy Industry, that is advanced chemical cell battery, new generation advanced storage technology, and that will store the energy for the electrochemical energy. Biodegradable paper supercapacitor. So this biodegradable supercapacitor is the Gujarat Energy Research Management Institute that is developed the paper-based supercapacitor, thinnest and lightweight and biodegradable nature electrochemical charge storage device. So there is a marine micro LH gravity battery. The gravity battery is involved the lowering heavy weight. The functioning: when there is a planetary green energy, the battery use the power and lift the heavy weight either high into the top deep shaft. It is used to rotate a motor generate the electricity. Sodium battery, this is sodium ion charge carries stored release the energy, and it is lithium ion battery that is due to the low cost and natural abundance of the sodium resources. Wider temperature tolerance is in the sodium battery. Okay, so temperature can be tolerated in the sodium battery, and this is lithium battery due to their low cost and natural abundance in the sodium in the resources. Next is small molecular reactor, land based water cooled and marine based reactor, high temperature gas cooled reactor, liquid metal cooled fast neutron reactor, molten salt reactor, and micro reactor. So land based water, that is having a different configuration, lightweight reactor, achieved for the floating and employed in the several industrial application. Fast neutron reactor, that is helium, sodium, lead, and lead bismuth. These technologies are long fuel cycle and option for the online refueling. Different types of the coolants like water, helium, and molten salt is also used. First, fourth generation nuclear technology is used for small modular research design, and this is fourth generation nuclear reactor. Gas is the helium for the cooling, and unlike the conventional power plant, the use of the pressurized water. Advanced nuclear reactor power generation capacity is 30 to 300 mega, and physically a fraction of the size of conventional nuclear power reactor. System of the factory assembled transport in the unit location. Harness the nuclear fission. So small modular reactors are harnessing the nuclear fission reactions, and this using as the gas helium for the cooling, and conventional power plant that use the pressurized water. Land based water cooled, that is having a different configuration. Marine based water, high temperature gas coolant water, liquid metal cooled fast neutron, and the molten salt reactor. This is all about small molecular reactor, that is adaptation of the scalable longer refueling interval and compact design. Passive safety features are also there. Vienna Convention Civil Liability Nuclear Damage Act, Convention of the Supplementary Nuclear Damage, Paris Convention Third Party Liability, Joint Protocol for the Vienna and the Paris Convention, and Brussels Supplementary Convention in the Paris Convention. So these all are the nuclear liability convention. First is the Vienna Convention, Paris Convention, and Brussels Convention. These all conventions are related to the nuclear liability convention. So Vienna in 1963, Paris that was 1960, and Convention of the Supplementary Compensation 97, and Brussels that was in 1963. Net energy gain. Net energy gain is a second time in the nuclear fusion reaction. It is a two light atomic nuclear combines, and single heavier one will be releasing the massive energy. You can see fission, there is a broken down, the split of the two atoms, and this releasing the energy. It can be uranium, plutonium, and this is a nuclear fuel. And in the fusion process, there is a helium and hydrogen, and two or more lighter atoms are becoming a larger one. So this atomic nuclear combines single heavier and one, and releasing the energy state of the matter called the hot charge gas and positive ion and free moving of the electron. Two positive nuclear have to come close, and this Coulomb barrier energy is required, that is outcome of the barrier. This energy is presently more than the energy generated from the fusion. Clean and safe power, and 1 kg fusion fuel provide as much energy as a 10 kilo fossil fuel, and that is hydrogen as a available abundance. And net energy gain, that is nuclear fusion process generate the more energy than nuclear fusion consumes. And India is a part of the International Thermonuclear Experiment ITER project. And this ITER project, India has constructed the indigenous tokamak Aditya and indigenously steady state superconducting tokamak. So about aim to demonstrate the nuclear fusion and clean energy. Located the France, it is located in the France, and China, UN, India and Japan, Korea, which are aims to build the world largest tokamak, a magnetic fusing device, and that is tap into the potential of the fusion energy. Tokamak operate on the same principle that work the sun and star. So this is the Julius Robert Oppenheimer, and renowned the American physicist, key role of the success of the Manhattan Project, and that is the Julius and Robert. And next one is the Manhattan Project. And the creation of the first nuclear bomb, father of the atomic energy and fast neuron physics, that is Julius Robert Oppenheimer. Father of the atomic bomb and the fast neuron physics, and opposed the nuclear weapons also. So Julius Robert was opposing the nuclear weapons, but he was the father of the atomic bomb. And during the Manhattan Project, Julius Robert played a key role. JT60 is the experimental JT60A, that is the experimental nuclear fusion reactor. It is a fusion reactor, and it is JT was recently inaugurated in the Japan, and that is ITER construction in the ITER JT ITER, and that was Kakrapar nuclear power plant. So Kakrapar is the largest indigenous Kakrapar nuclear power plant started working in the Gujarat, and largest indigenous nuclear power plant reactor built the Nuclear Power Corporation of India, and that is biggest indigenous developed the pressurized heavy water reactor. It have achieved the first critically referred to the condition in nuclear reactor operator. There is a number of the neutron produced by the fission reaction in the sufficient to sustain the self-sustaining chain reaction, and natural uranium as a fuel. Heavy water is a moderator. Heavy water reactor fueled by the natural uranium produced by plutonium, and after this plutonium there is a uranium-233. Plutonium release the fast breeder reactor and generate the electricity, and this electricity is about 500 to 350 and fueled by the mix of the plutonium and natural uranium. With sufficient stock, thorium is introduced, and it mixes the thorium and uranium fuel, and thorium transmit the power into the reactor. So this is a Kakrapar project, and Kakrapar project is the largest project of 700 megawatt, and it is in Gujarat. Next is uranium enrichment. So uranium enrichment is IAEA. Iron has been expanded stock in near weapon. Now weapon grade uranium is commonly considered the enrich of 90% of the uranium-235. Uranium enrichment is a process to create an effective nuclear fuel, and that is uranium-235. And uranium found in the natural contain 0.7% of the chain reaction. Naturally 99% of the uranium exists under uranium-238. Isotopes are also there, U-35 and 34. Most nuclear reactors are electrically only require fuel that is enriched between 3 to 5%. Highly enriched uranium, that is 20%. Uranium-241 discovered recently. Its atomic number is 92 and mass number is 241. So uranium 241, atomic number is 92 and mass number is 241, have a half life and 40 minutes. New isotope was found during the process of called the multinuclear transmission and multinuclear transfer. Two isotope exchange proton and neutron, and contamination water stored in the Fukushima Daiichi nuclear power plant, and that is advanced liquid processing system, that is Fukushima Daiichi, and that is pumping the filtration system, remove the radionuclides, and prior to the being treated there is a contaminated water, and that is treated also. EV2 grid charging. Central Electricity Authority, that is proposed the battery standardization, boost the electrical vehicle to grid charging. Electrical vehicle can be provide service to the power system through the smart charging. Smart charging include the bidirectionals, and reverse charging is the it is established under the Electricity Supply Act, that was in 1948. Discharge the function under the Electricity Act, which is replaced in 1948. Grid, and that is the electricity vehicle, and that is charged. So Central Electricity Authority proposed the battery standardization. Smart charging. Smart charging is the bidirectional to reverse the charging, and that was established under the Electrical Supply 1948. Fission, and this fission is a molybdenum 99. So molybdenum 99 production facility, that is the Trombay and Baba Atomic Research inauguration. So molybdenum 99 isotope of the technetium, and this is short-lived gamma emitting isotope. This nuclear medicine is procedure because it can be chemically incorporated into the small molecule, and it is produced begin the neutron eradication and fissile material uranium 235. Direct methanol fuel cell, and this fission molybdenum 99, that is a short-lived gamma emitting isotope, that is a gamma emitting isotope. Next is direct methanol fuel cell, an alloy of the cobalt and platinum, that is manganese, has been found in the effective catalyst electrochemical energy, and that is directly converts liquid methanol. Electrochemical energy is converting in the methanol. High energy density, high efficiency, low operating temperature, safer to operate, and that is generate the cleaner energy. An alternative power source for the small vehicles such as the battery charge mobile phone, digital camera, laptop, and other small electronic gadgets. Next one is defense technology. S-400 defense system. This is a very short range defense system, and that is fourth generation portable system. Prithvi air defense system, that was 300 to 2000 kilometer. Air defense system is a 150 to 200 kilometer. Akash weapon system, short range and air missile system, indigenously developed by the DRDO. And mobile long range surface to air missile capability to protect against the almost all sort of the aerial attacks like drone, missile, rocket, fighter jets. Carries the command, control the center and automatic tracking and targeting, and carries the separate radar system, that is 400 km surveillance, and simultaneously the 80 aerial targets are there. So Project Kusha is a long range surface to air missile, and that is Project Kusha 2028. Project designated under the purview of the Defense Research and Development Organization, designed to detect, destroy the wide array threats, and 3 layers of the surface to air missile 150, 250 and 350. Other defense system, that is US air defense system, terminal high altitude air defense. THAAD missile is a system which can be only type of the missile used for 150 to 200. Patriot advanced capacity missile, high ability targets for 180. National Advanced Surface to Air Missile System, that was surface to air missile that was adaptable combat proven medium range defense. And Iron Dome system, that was Israel's most advanced short range and ground air defense system. Short range system, that is Iron Dome, detection, tracking the radars and battle management. Next is Take the Neutralize, David Ceiling defense system, that is the David air defense system. Missile firing unit is fire control, the radar and the battle management. So first was the air defense system, Iron Dome system, and the David and air defense system, that was also the Hamas rocket. And the European Sky Shield initiative, that was the Switzerland, and create a European air missile defense system. Hypersonic missile, the hypersonic missile is named the Fatah. Fatah is a 1400 kilometer, and that is subsonic, transonic and the supersonic and hypersonic. So subsonic is less than 1 Mach, transonic is equals to 1, supersonic is greater than 1, and the hypersonic is greater than 5. So this is the sound missiles. And for lower altitude, conventionally ballistic missile types of the hypersonic system, hypersonic glide vehicle rocket, hypersonic cruise missile is the air breathing and the high speed engine. Scramjet engine is also there, used only to the kinetic energy and derived from the motion of the destroy the unhardened targets, could be enable the responsive long range strikes. And India's status as a hypersonic technology vehicle program, which is Mach 6 Scramjet. US, Russia, China lead to hypersonic weapon program. So Russia, US and China, and Australia, India, France, Germany, Japan also developing. Russia used the advanced hypersonic, that is Zircon, and Ukraine के strike पर Zircon use में लिया. Now DRDO successfully conducted a flight for the sea-based endo-atmospheric missile engage a holistic ballistic missile threat. The hypersonic cruise missile, outer space and ballistic missile, and these missiles are free falling trajectory towards their targets. Prithvi, Agni, intercontinental ballistic missiles are there, 500 and 00 kilometer. And Earth atmosphere, there is a BrahMos, fly within the Earth atmosphere, that is the BrahMos. Okay, other missiles are also there. First is Pralay ballistic missile. Pralay is a test firing. It is a DRDO which is developing the Pralay short range ballistic missile, 500 kilometer. Surface to surface missile. Pralay is a surface to surface missile, and that is the solid fuel propellant based Prithvi missile. Astra missile. Astra missile is a air to air developed by the DRDO, and it is highly maneuvering supersonic, and that is day or night capability, all weather and fighter aircraft, 80 to 100. This is 20, Mach 4.5. Next is Spike and non-slide anti-tank guided missile, and that is integrated with the Russia origin flight and helicopter. 6th generation Spike missile destroying the enemy targets hidden, and that was the lightweight fire and forget guided missile. Fire and forget Spike missile anti-tank guided missile. Next is drone missile. Drone is tactical airborne platform for aerial surveillance beyond the horizon. DRDO have the successfully Tapas and INS Subhadra. So this Tapas missile is medium range endurance vehicle and the Bengaluru based aeronautical development establishment. So Tapas is the medium altitude long endurance unmanned aerial autonomous flying wing technology demonstration. DRDO indigenous high speed wing, and that was a fixed wing aircraft unmanned combat aerial vehicle, allow the takeoff and the landing runway and aeronautic development establishment, autonomous landing flying with a technology. Next one is the MQ9 rearer. MQ9 rearer, that is a cheaper Reaper drone, and that was designed to fly over the horizon of the satellites, safely integrate the civil airspace, integrated advanced maritime intelligence, enable the real-time search, and MQ9B Sea Guardian, that is the underwater surveillance. Next is MH-60 Romeo helicopter. This Romeo helicopter is a USA and that was all-weather helicopter, and it features anti-submarine warfare and surveillance. Dhruv Advanced Light Helicopter. Dhruv is a multi-role, multi-mission generator helicopter and that was indigenously developed under the Hindustan HAL, and that is capable of operating the all-weather conditions for the twin Shakti engine. Light combat aircraft, and this aircraft was all-weather and the multi-role fighter aircraft. Offensive air support, close combat the attacks, and this aeronautic development agency produced the Hindustan Aeronautic Limited, and that was smallest lighter aircraft. It is class of fight the refueling and equipped with a state-of-art satellite. So light combat aircraft, that was Tejas, and Tejas is also the generating all-weather fighter aircraft. Light combat helicopter, that is Prachand. Prachand is also lightweight combat helicopter, that is 2022, and the Prachand is indigenously developed, and this developed by the Hindustan Aeronautics. Attack the helicopter in the world, and that is take altitude of 5000 meter, air to ground and air to air missile. Name the Shakti. Submarine ship Project 75. Project 75 is 30-year submarine plan, that is a tie-up with the foreign collaborator, part of the plan for the indigenous submarine and technology. So Kalwari, Khanderi, Karanj, Wajir and Wala. Construction of the Sikh conventional submarine, that was air independent propulsion system, Project 75. Next is INS Imphal. INS Imphal is a third indigenously Visakhapatnam class steel guided destroyer, and that is 15 NB Imphal. It is Project 15A Kolkata class, Project 15 Delhi class, and this is Visakhapatnam and Mormagaon, and warship is designed the Bureau and Majgaon, Mumbai. So this arm was the BrahMos. BrahMos is a surface to surface indigenously torpedo launcher, and arm is medium range surface to air. The Mahendragiri is the commission part Project 17A, that is Nilgiri class, and 17A are the follow up the Project 17 Shivalik. First is Nilgiri class, second is Shivalik class, and Indian Navy Warship Design Bureau, that is also there. Indigenously Visakhapatnam class guided missile destroyer is Project 15B, that is in the Imphal. And BrahMos is a surface to surface missile, and this is indigenous torpedo launcher. It is a medium range and surface to air missile, that is armed with. So Imphal is armed with a medium range air to surface, but BrahMos is surface to surface missile. Project 17A, and that is in the Shivalik area and Nilgiri area, and Project 15B, that is in the Visakhapatnam area. Next is Dhanush artillery gun, and this is a gun 45 caliber town artillery guns, and this is inertia of navigation based sighting system and onboard ballistic combustion, and that is consists of the self propulsion unit gun to deploy in the field. Cluster bomb, the USA has decided to supply the Ukraine with the cluster bomb, and this cluster bomb are carry the 100 of smaller bomb blades, also the sub monitors. So this dropped from the aircraft launch missile and artillery, naval and the gun. So these bombs are opened to the prescribed height and fused to the explodes. Nirakshi is a first autonomous underwater vehicle, that is Nirakshi, and it is an underwater vehicle, has an endurance of the 4 hour, gap 300 meter. So Nirakshi, Gordon Ridge Shipyard and Engineering MSME is launching. Varunastra was successful for the target of the Navy and ship launch anti-submarine torpedo. Vijag based naval science technology, that was under the DRDO. Varunastra is under the DRDO, and that is 40 knots operating depth. Next is the thermobaric bomb. Thermobaric bomb is caused by the Myanmar military using the thermobaric bomb. This is the vacuum or aerosol bomb, and this is consist of the container with two separate explosive. First is explosive charge open the container and the widely scattered fuel. Precision guided bomb strike target. Small explosion release cloud of explosive material and second explosion ignites clouds causing massive blast that capable of vaporing human body, that is thermobaric bomb. And Dhanush artillery guns, and Nirakshi is a underwater vehicle, and Varnastra DRDA launched the ship launch anti-submarine torpedo. It's a torpedo, that is Varnastra multi-maneuvering capability torpedo, and thermobaric bomb, that is a bomb, and this is precision guided bomb. Small explosion and second explosion initiated by causing the massive blast. Next is thermobaric second charge in the denotes that clouds are resulting into the massive blast and wave in the vacuum which is sucked by the surrounding. Project Sanjay, an army under the Project Sanjay is working for the battlefield surveillance system, and it is create the multiple surveillance center for the field of the formation, enable the intergradation, and large number of the sensors are there. That is battlefield surveillance system, and that is the Project Sanjay. Okay, and next one is Nobel Prize in Physics, an experiment of the method that is generated the attosecond pulse light electron dynamic matter. So overtone wave is light whose wavelength was interactions of the beam, and that is electron dynamics is the behavior and the movement of the electron within the atom and the molecule. Atom can move turn to the millions of the billionths of the second, known as the femtosecond. Femtosecond, for a long time femtosecond was seen as a shortest achievable duration type. So this is the Nobel Prize experiment method that is to generate the attosecond pulses of the light for the electron dynamics matter, and that is Nobel Prize is given. Attosecond pulses are generated by the electron dynamics in the matter study of the electron dynamics study, and it is the person is Pierre Agostini, Ferenc Corrèze, and Annie Liu Hiller. You can see name is the Pierre, Ferenc, and the Anne, and they are going the taking the Nobel Prize for the study of the electron dynamics, and that is the Pierre Agostini, Ferenc, and the Annie. And these waves are light waves wavelength which has integer fractions. Beam had a wavelength, and this is overtone of the wavelength. Electron move to change the rapidly